Okay, so here is a little walkthrough of my Mawvelous Miss Daisy, and the interior is finished, so I thought I'd do you a little walkthrough so you could see. So I painted all the cabinets, new window treatments, that wall got wallpapered. This is the chair that I refurbished with a slipcover that I had an art attack on. So I modified it and made it fun. Just have a temporary table right now while I wait for my gate leg table from Ikea. Painted up a chair. This is my COVID carpet that I made out of sheets and shirts. There you go. And then having a look towards the back. So beautiful. So that all the cabinet doors and hardware painted. There's my modified door that I had an art attack on. So the back bedroom, some beautiful bedding. I redid the, well, it's kind of a lot of glare from the window there, but I redid the window treatments, and then the cabinets all have been painted. So it's all nice and fresh and bright and just feels so big. I'm going to just come up here so I can turn and show you the kitchen area. So that's the fridge, and then there's our kitchen area. Backsplash is just peel and stick wallpaper, which is really awesome. So cabinets all done. There's a better image. And then coming around to the cockpit area, just new curtains there for that, and then the wallpaper on the above feature wall, if you will, and window treatment on there as well. So I made little curtains for the front as well. So that's my beautiful Miss Daisy. She looks so cheerful and so happy. It's just beautiful space. If you watched any of the previous videos, there was a big brown couch there, so I like this space better. I can set up my easel and paint. Had new LED lights put in, so it's nice and bright. And I redid the steps. So, oops, kind of hard to show you from there. But anyways, there you go. That's my Mawvelous Miss Daisy. She's going to take Sibby and I on lots of adventures. Have a marvelous day.